Welcome to QuickPixel, and we are turning this daylight image into a night photograph in just 3 simple steps. So let's get into it. Alright, so in our Photoshop, I'm making a canvas that is 1080 and 1280. Create it and just place your image. So if you want to use the image I'm using for this, the link will be in the description. So you can follow along using this image if you like. After the image has been placed, click on this adjustment icon and select color lookup. Click on this load 3D LUT and select moonlight. Now press B on your keyboard or just select brush tool from here. Right click anywhere on your canvas and select the soft round brush with 0% hardness on it. Also make sure the flow is 26% and the opacity is 21%. Now just click on this white layer mask thumbnail and make sure to use the black color as the foreground color. Now just keep tapping on bright spots of your image to remove this color lookup. So I think this is looking fine. Here's before and here's after. Now what you can do is you can also play with the brightness and contrast. So for example, I'm just increasing the brightness and contrast a bit, and here we go. Please make sure to use the latest versions of Photoshop as this might not work in previous versions. So that was it for the video. If you like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and see you in the next one.